guys know Caroline Kane in Sub 2?
Yeah.
She worked in this office with me.
That's how you found her.
Well, I found her in Sub 2. Actually, the way I found her is interesting. Yeah, I used to run 10 acquisition guys out of that little house.
Wow. That was your very first.
My very first office? No.
So what went wrong with the flip that you had to turn into office?
I couldn't get the see all these crackheads, like right here? There's a lot of crackheads in this neighborhood, like a lot. And so it's really bad. You'll turn the corner and it was like an infestation. And it was a Thanksgiving, 2016, I think. I came here and there was this homeless guy in the house. I was like, hey bro, I bought the house. Like, I need you to get out. He's like, oh, don't worry. Like, I'll take care of it. Like, when are you going to start renovation? I go, a couple weeks. He goes, okay, well, I'll watch out. I'll watch the house for you. I'm like, okay, cool. Oh, wow. They're finally cleaning up this house. That's cool. But anyway, oh, here we go. So this is backyard to my house. Okay. And what happened was I said, all right, dude, I'll pay you a couple $100 to like watch the house for me. And I come back 2 weeks later and it's 18 heroin addicts are all in the house. Oh my gosh, I cannot even believe that. It was just, so it took us forever to get people out. We sat on it for a while. We had hard money on it. And then the house had an illegal addition that I had to go and get permitted and all of that stuff. So I just said, all right, screw it. Let's just do the burst strategy. So we renovated it, refinanced it, pulled all of our money out, and kept it as an office. And we were there for a couple of years. And that's where Caroline Kane, she came and slept on the floor there.
No way.
2019, yeah.
Shout out to Caroline.
Yeah, shout out to Caroline. She, what happened was she was going through a breakup, and I met her on Instagram. She sent me a DM, and I said, hey, dude, I'll pay you. You seem super cool. I'll pay you $500 in gas money to get across America and come work for me for 30 days and see if this works out. So she came and slept on the floor there. I gave her my wife's car and fell in love with her and everything about her. And she worked for us on the acquisition team and then the disposition team. And then when we launched Sub 2, I was like, I need your energy, dude. Like, I need you in the community. She was already a Sub 2 member, but I was like, I need to hire you on the team as like an employee of Sub 2.
Dude, her energy is like,
she's the best.
Awesome.
So I took her off my acquisition team out of that office and put her in my big office that we're